Hello, in today's video, we will dive into Expand File Attachment application and provide you with a detailed explanation. Additionally, we will walk you through the application, giving you a first-hand experience of its features and capabilities. By simply scanning the QR code mentioned, user can effortlessly link any image or PDF file with the documents. Once the files are uploaded, ERP user will instantly see the impact reflected under Files tab on the document page of the Expand SM ERP. Let's see how to use the application. After opening the File Attachment app, enter your registered mobile number or email address. Click on Submit. An OTP will be delivered into your registered email address. Enter that here for verification. Now you're successfully logged into the app. Click on the Scan ERP Document QR option. Now open any document on the Expand SM ERP to find the QR. Scan that QR from the File Attachment application. The application will identify the document number and will show you the following options. 1. Gallery option. Gallery option will allow you to attach any images from your device to the document in the ERP system. You can also add comments with the image for your reference that will also reflect along with the images. Number 2. Document option. Document option will enable you to attach any documents with the ERP system. 3. The camera option. With the camera option, you can click images and attach with the document in the ERP. Check the document in the ERP, all the attachment will show in the Files tab of respective document. To enhance your convenience, we have also included Images to Text option provided in the system. This feature will allow you to easily extract text from any images, saving you time and effort.